here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alrighty. We're going to talk about Microsoft in this video. We're going to look at the chart, right? We're going to look at the chart. Microsoft. We're going to get into Intel. We're going to get into PayPal. We're going to mark up these charts real fast. Okay. So everybody and their mother probably knows by now that Microsoft, the update happened with CrowdStrike software issue, okay, affected everybody globally, right? Globally. And of course, Elon had to say something about it. Of course, he had to say Tesla deleted CrowdStrike from his systems and all that. Okay, so this was a global IT outage. Okay, if you don't know about it, I don't know where you've been, but if you were using a computer somewhere, it probably affected you some kind of way. So in this video, Microsoft, Intel, PayPal, we're going to look at them. Let's mark up the charts. Let's see if we want to buy. Let's get to it, Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. All right, daily time frame right here of Microsoft. This is the moving averages, so you'll know what line means what when we're looking at it. Green, purple, gold, or orange, whatever you want to call it. See, they're color coded over here. Okay, so now this is the thing. We had that issue. We all know we had the issue, and Microsoft in the past was bumping up against this ascending trend line, right? Okay, bump his little head up here like a ceiling. Boom, hit your head on the ceiling of the house, right? It would hit his head here and then fall. Doo, doo, doo. Okay, this is a daily time frame, so each candle means one day. So this CrowdStrike thing, today is July 20th when I'm making this video. That happened yesterday. Okay, so it's like these two candles here, right? Okay, so it's not like it happened up here, the CrowdStrike stuff, Microsoft stuff, and we fell all the way here. No, it just happened around here. Okay, so now we're here. So do you feel it's going to be drama, more drama for Microsoft, and it's going to go and fall from the sky like that? I mean, you could feel like that, right? And then should we like take that off if you're saying we're not in the upward trend anymore? I mean, if you're feeling that way, or are you feeling like we may go right here? You see this support line here that's trending upward, right? Left side bottom. You see here how we touched and it was support, floor of a house. Here we got support. It's like the floor of a house. Support again. So will we hit here and will we bounce? What is this line here? Earnings is coming. Yes, earnings is coming. Hold on. Earnings is coming in 9 days. So earnings has been green. Green means that they did okay. So what's the date? Okay, they're saying July 29th. You always got to check these dates, okay? Okay, on a Monday. So that's when it's coming up again. So that's like 9 days from now. So we just had this situation. How will it be? You can't always assume just because everything's been peachy green before, even if it's green, it doesn't mean that the stock just has to go up. You have to be careful with that. It could, and maybe it's not going to move. Maybe it'll go up. Maybe it'll go down. You don't know. You don't know. Even if sometimes when it's green and they beat, it still falls because people want it even more. You know how we are, so greedy, needy, and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, this looks like it could be support. That's what it should be. Now, you see how sometimes we fall a little bit lower? Like, oh, we got to fall below that line just to freak everybody out and everything like that. That's just how it is, okay? So will we fall a little bit low? So now, so say this area is around here. So what are we saying? I'm just going to put this, okay, let's say we fell right about here. Okay, I just put that so you can see the price real easy. $423, okay, around there. Okay, so we may fall there. Now, you see, so we could just go nicely here. Will we stop? You see how we kind of stopped a little bit? See, look at this. Look at this. Okay, what am I saying right now? Okay, price can't go higher, can't can't go higher. Resistance, resistance. Okay, so, and we're here right now. So see how interacting with this level. All right, so this is, something's happening here too, but maybe we'll go through this and come down to the level I just showed you. So I wanted you to see that. And then if we come back up, then we should ride back up again. So that's how it should be. So how much of a percentage move is that? Okay, so say we, come down a little bit to here, ride back up. If we just went to where we were before, 9%. You see what's the part I'm looking at? I'm showing you that part, okay? 9%, right? Okay, so that's where I'm showing you. If we go a little bit higher though, because you gotta pretend that you see this line is going to connect. Everything, the chart, you have to pretend, you got to like try to forecast your future, right? And see it. Okay, so 13%. So there's a, rinse, repeat, 13% right there. So you could buy down here, buy down here, sell up here, buy down here, sell up here. You could do that. Not the whole position, but some of it, so you don't always have to ride it back down. Okay, so anyway, so that's Microsoft. So now some people may feel like, oh my God, though. I mean, can Microsoft recover? Look, this is how big Microsoft is. It's number 2, people. Number 2. Number 2 on the market cap. All right. See, look at that. They will survive. They'll pull it back together. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. I'm just going to scroll this up for everybody who just wanted to check this out to see where certain companies are. Okay, this is the drug manufacturer with the weight loss drug. All right, Broadcom here, JP. All right, okay, this family, what? They're not going anywhere. Let's scroll down. Okay, ExxonMobil, 17. Okay, we'll just stop there. Okay, now let's keep going. Intel. This video's too long. Who keeps talking? All right, so it's already marked up from the last time. Now, we had support. By the way, look, people, we switched top left. We're on Intel right now. Daily time frame, okay? Intel. We have support down here. You see how it holds here. This was the buy area. This was the buy area. Okay, remember, I'm going to say this now in case I forget. 12 days. Earnings is coming. Earnings, purple line, earnings is coming. Alrighty. Boogeyman is coming. Earnings. Support, support, support. Then when we came up to like this $32 level, see? Boom. Resistance. Okay. We had to pop through that. We did. When we came here, okay, see back here in the past, little resistance, left side of the screen. Little resistance here, okay? So, here. Boom. This candle. That little candle right there. Hold on. Boop, that candle. Resistance right there. Okay, came here, same thing, same problem. I was saying, hey, when we get here, probably going to have a little problem. Yes, we did. A little resistance, hesitation. Okay. But when we pop, next level, this one would be a problem. What level is that? Hold on. Let me just make it go across. Okay. So you can see. All right. Just give me a second. All right. So it's kind of like, okay, just figure out, estimate $36 and whatever cents you want to estimate it to be. Okay, so what is the problem there? A little resistance. Why? Because, see, in the past, boom, we hit our head, left side of the screen. Hit our head again on the ceiling of our house. Like, ow, ow, people sold, people sold. Okay, so I said, hey, we can have some resistance here when we get to this level again. Of course, we did. Okay, these lines are not like, it's not like voodoo or something. This is, all the stuff happens for a reason, right? Okay, so here we go. So we sold off, and you see this descending trend line, okay? Boom, so we have some resistance because why? Look here, boom, sold. People, resistance, 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 okay? So we get to this area, we had this line from the past, and then we have this trend line going down. Let's elongate this thing here, okay? Because you're always trying to figure out in your head the future of the chart. What is it going to look like, right? Okay, so here, boom. So we came down. So now we're below the 200. Oh, boy. Not so nice. Okay, but, you know, we want to get above that. So we're still above the 20-day, and we're still above the 50-day. If you can't remember what they are, They're right there, right? Okay, so will we catch some support here? Boom, like that. Because see, here that was resistance. Resistance usually sometimes becomes support for the future. This is a big candle though. That's kind of big. It's like, ow, falling knife. That's a little bit. That thing better slow its roll before it gets here. It has to slow down. What you wanted to do, slow down, base, 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 come back up. All right? Don't try to catch falling knives. Okay? Not saying it's doing that, but like when candles are that big, like let it slow down. Because you see how it can fall like boom, like pow, 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 pow. You want it to slow down. See how it slowed down in this area and start to turn and curve and go upward a little. Because, hey, are we going to hold here or are we going to drop back down to here? I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but could it? Hey, depends what the market is doing and everything like that. All right. So you see our levels. Okay. Anything in here? Nice, 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 nice. Okay, very, very nice. You got to get a little bit above it though, because sometimes, we don't always go right inside that box. But this is a nice area. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that for Intel. All right, that's how the other part of the chart looks. All right, so that's Intel. God, who is talking so long? Let's switch to, boom, PayPal. What? PayPal. Okay, PayPal, I see you. I see you, PayPal. Do you see what I see, people? Do you see what I see? By the way, first, let me say this. 10 days. Boom. Earnings is coming. In 10 days, this is why we're going over a lot of these things right now. Okay, earnings is coming. If you think it's going to do well, you need to know. When is this? July 30th. Always check the dates down. Okay, so we have some green, red. Okay, that means it beat, which is good. Even though it beats sometime, I keep saying, doesn't mean the stock has to go up on the earnings. It could, maybe it will, maybe it won't, whatever. Because like, look, over here. See this earnings? Okay, these past earnings times, right? Look what happened here. We were up here, boop, we dropped down to here. Then this time, we shoot up? Like, see how we shot up going towards earnings, but then, boop, we dropped after. So sometimes, see, there's a run up to earnings. There's a run up going up to earnings, So will we run up to earnings? But holding through earnings is always you're just, it's like, well, it's a gamble. Okay, so now anyway, let's keep going. Let's see. Let me show you what we see on this chart right here. Okay. All right. See. Okay. This is not the best line right now. I know it's not. Just give me a second. Just wait a minute. All right, just wait a minute. Let's just wait a minute. Here we go. This summertime, summer investing, summer trading. It's like, hey. Gotta have a strong stomach getting through the summer. Okay. So in general, you see it goes like this. Let's say the top, and we go down, and we go up. Not down all the way, but you see what I'm saying? And then we go up. Okay, you see a little hesitation, right? But back down. If I just do it in a big swoop, I mean like this. Doop. Just pretend. Down, right? And we should go up. So it's tops and bottoms. And tops and bottoms. Okay? So, what do? You buy the bottom. Okay? You want to sell it here, or you can sell up here at the top. And you buy the bottom again, and then you wait. Where? For you to sell at the top. That's the point when you're playing a range. Okay? When you're doing some range, when you're in this range kind of thing. So you're foreseeing. So let's just say, how much money is this? What's the percentage gain? It's moneymaker. Anything that moves, click like, subscribe. I can't believe I'm still talking. This video is so long. Okay, we'll just take it from where it's at right now, because right now it's trading at $59. Okay, so just from where we're at now to the top of the range. Oh my God, we don't want to go all the way to the tippy top though. Let's just go to here. Okay, what is it? Boop, 18%. 18%. Try to get that in the checking account. Not happening. Okay, so if we went all the way to the tippy, 21%, Okay. See the point? This is why some people are looking at PayPal right now. Okay. So that's from where we're at right now. $59 to like over here in between that area. Okay. $72, $73. So some people, just for everybody who wants to see, oh, what about if we were lower? Hold on. Give me a second. All right. What about if we were down here? Because what about if we fall down a little bit more and we went all the way to the tippy top? Okay, 23. See? So anyway, but I want to show you something else. This is what is cute about this. What is cute about this? Why do you always save the best for last, Miss Moneymaker? I don't know why I do that. I don't know. Okay. All right. So, look at this, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Pow, pow. What am I showing you? Pow, pow, pow. 5. Okay? 5. You want this number to be over a 3. I say this in every video that I do this, and risk to reward ratio should be over a 3. 5 is awesome. Risk to reward is on your side. This would be your stop wherever you want to put it. I'm not telling you where to put it. This is up to you and your level of risk and what you're comfortable at. As you adjust it, you see the number move though? All right? So let's just say you had it here. Now this is the frustration when a stop is too close. See how these wicks happen? Okay? Well, people love to do that and stop you out, okay? And liquidate your position, and then the stock end up coming back up and going on without you. And that's frustrating as all heck. So that's a problem when your stop is too close. Because you're like, oh, I'll put a stop right below this line. Well, okay. They might do this. Because clearly some people got stopped out who had their stop so close. And I know they're frustrated because they missed that move. Okay, they missed that move. So they're like, okay, thank God, pull back again so I can get back in. All right? So you would have to be a little bit lower. And can it go? Yeah, so you have to figure out where you want to put your stop. Can't spend all day on that, right? So you figure out where you want to put your stop. Where you put it changes your ratio, okay? But you can clearly see there's a whole lot more upside. All right? Whole lot more upside. Who is still talking on this video? Clearly, I love this stuff. All right. Before we leave, let me leave you with this. This lady right here. All right. Okay. Y'all were like, where did this come from? Well, I'll show you where this came from and why we're talking about her. Okay. Boop, boop. She said, the more you adapt, the more interesting you are. Okay. The more you adapt, the more interesting you are. That is true. Okay, she had over 1 billion people. Over 1 billion. Over. Okay? That's very interesting. It's over 1 billion. And then, you know what? I mean, I'm not hating on her 400 million either. I'm not hating on that. I mean, okay? So, especially back in her day and all that. So, I'm not hating on her. She came from Jersey. Look at this. Okay, so... Hey, adapt. That's my point. Adapt. She did. Everybody knows she behind bars for a second or two and became famous even from behind there. I'm like, lady, what? She didn't stop her grind. Adapt. All right? Adapt. The markets change in the summertime. It's a different way of trading in the summer. You have to adapt and stay flexible, stay light, stay green. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.